Hello everyone. I am Adria KP. First, I will introduce our company. Our company name is Hexabex and the slogan is Pushing Limits. It means perform better than you have performed before. Then, I will introduce our company members. Aparna K is Chief Executive Officer of the company. Archana P is Chief Technology Officer of the company. Chief Financial Officer is myself and Bijila P is Chief Operating Officer. My product is Space Mouse. What is Space Mouse? Space Mouse is a peripheral tool for controlling three-dimensional objects created by computer programmers. This tool represents a part of vanguard of a class of three-dimensional mouse product that allow users to use more natural movement in manipulating 3D object on a screen. These are the important points in my topic. First, introduction. SpaceMouse is a professional 3D controller designed for manipulating objects in a 3D environment. SpaceMouse is a certain object that is used by professionals for manipulating 3D objects in our professional world. It has different mode of operation in which it can also be used as two-dimensional mouse. There are plenty of uses in this thing and it can also used as 2D mouse. It serves as a man-machine interface, enable the user to intuitively zoom, pan and rotate model, and it can control 3D cameras at different angle to position and view the object. Mainly this thing acts as a man-machine interface because it allows the user to control, manipulate, view and rotate the object to move the object, and it also use zoom in and look through the object throughout its body. And the picture show Space Mouse. Then we talk about inside a mouse. The main goal of any mouse is to translate the motion of your hand to signal that the computer can use. Almost all mice today do the translation using 5 components. First one is ball. A ball inside the mouse touches the desktop and rolls when the mouse moves. Second one is rollers. 2 rollers inside the mouse touches the ball. One of the roller is oriented so that it deflects motion in X direction and other is oriented 90 degree to the first roller so it deflects motion in the Y direction. Third one is disc. The rollers each connected to a shaft and the shaft spin a disc with a hole in it. When rollers rolls, its shaft and disc spin. The following image shows the disc. Fourth one is sensor. On either side of the disc there is an infrared LED and infrared sensor. The holes in the disc break the beam of light coming from the LED so that the infrared sensor sees pulses of light. And last one is processing chip. An on-board processor chip reads the pulses from the infrared sensor and turns them into binary data that the computer can understand. The chip sends the binary data to the computer through mouse's code. These are the features of Space Mouse. Easy of use of manipulating object in 3D application, fingertip operation for maximum precision and performance, calibration-free sensor technology for high precision and unique reliability, natural hand position resting on table eliminate fatigue. Then function of Space Mouse. The function of navigation cap and all other button on Space Mouse. It has lot of features like 3D connection, 6 degree of freedom, keyboard modify key, some customized function key and LED screen with a display navigator. Function button. Function button provided by 3D connection on their Space Mouse. Keyboard modifier. Keyboard modify button allow you to modify your keyboard button click without touching the button on keyboard just from your mouse. Quick view button. The 3D connection provided 4 pre-programmed view buttons. In these buttons, enable you see top view, rear view, front view, angular view of your 3D model in just one click. The 6 degree of freedom technology. Like all 3D connection, 3D mice, Space Mouse Pro features a pattern 3D connection. 6 degree of freedom sensor that enable you to easily navigate digital model or camera position in 3D space. These are the technical specifications of Space Mouse. Then advantages. The designing time is reduced by 20% to 30%, so as the result the productivity is increased. Going back and forth to the menu is eliminated. Natural hand position resting on table eliminate fatigue. Allow the user to move a robot system in the most natural way. Then disadvantages. Too expensive. Nearly $8,000, earlier now reduced to about $3,000, even though manufacturing cost is less than $1,000. Nearly cost about Rs 98,355, now reduced Rs 47,951, even though through the manufacturing cost is less than 8,000. Then application CAD, CAM and CAE, AutoCAD, Autodesk, Inventor. Then digital content creation in 3D visualization, 3D modeling. Productivity tools in NASA Whirlwind, Solid Edge. Then design constraints. First one is functionality. Need for 3D navigation. USB is present, natural hand position. Then strength. No need of batteries. 9 programmable buttons are present. Adjust sensitivity. Material. The outer shell and most of the internal parts are made of IBC plastic. Quality. Use of computer generated design building quality and time saving into the product. Handling. Natural hand position resting on table, eliminate fatigue and easy to use. Aesthetic. It depends on size of our hand and easy to use and very comfortable. Maintenance. It has a warranty period of 1 year. It involves functional check, servicing and repairing or replacement. Cost. Nearly Rs 98,355, now reduced to about Rs 47,951, even though the manufacturing cost is less than Rs 8,000. Then conclusion. The features of SpaceMOS are not only applicable to the graphics simulation and 3D object, but they will strongly change the whole world of manufacturing and constructing technology. It is also applicable to other areas of science like chemistry, biology, and entertainment. No other technology can beat the SpaceMOS in its simplicity and yet high precision. Thank you all.